How to edit Shopify confirmation email. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to edit your Shopify order confirmation email without any paid version application. Whether you are looking to add or customize a personal touch, or just you want to include some essential information that your customer needs. So make sure to finish this video until the end to make your order confirmation pop and gives your customers an even better experience. So without no more talking, let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then guys, before adding or editing Shopify confirmation email, you need first to buy a plan, because you will not be able to edit your confirmation email without using a plan or any plan on Shopify. Then guys, hit on settings in the bottom. Then guys, I will show you how easily buy a plan on Shopify. Just go to the plan section on the left side, then hit on plan. Then guys, go direct to buy any plan with only $1 for 3 months. Then guys, go to buy a plan at the top, or you can change the plan as you see guys, because I have already buying a plan. Then if after buying a plan, just go back and scroll to the bottom, then go directly to your notification section, then hit on notification. Then guys, I will show you first, before edit the Shopify confirmation emails, first you need to verify your email address, the email your store uses to send emails to your customers. Then guys, go to and open your both email guys first. Then you need to confirm your email address before editing or any edit Shopify confirmation email. Then guys, hit on verify your email. Then it takes a few seconds to verify your email address first before editing or create your Shopify confirmation emails. Then guys, wait a few seconds. Then guys, your confirmation emails was successfully verified. Then you can easily send the confirmation emails by using this email address. Then guys, after verifying your email address, go directly to the customer notification. Then hit on customer notifications. Then before guys to starting to create a confirmation email, just you need to customize email template. Then first guys, you need to customize your email template to make it more professional. Then first guys, you need to add some logo or any logo on your brand, for example. Then just hit on add image. Then I will select a logo, for example, which logo, for example, this one guys. Then guys, just an example guys, for example, all new switch AS. Then guys, you can customize the size of the logo, for example, like this. Then guys, the color, then hit and select color, for example, the button, view your order button, just for example, you can use it like this. Then guys, then this is the order confirmation, your name of the store, thank you for your purchase. Scroll to the bottom to see your template when on the shipping confirmation, and also in the ready for local pickup, everything you need. Then if you want to customize, and if you don't like your order, this title, your order is ready to pick up, or any title, you can easily go back and hit on save first to save your template. Hit on save. Now your template was saved successfully. As you see guys, this is how it look like on your confirmation email. Then if you want to customize the title, for example, your order is ready for pickup, just go back and go back again and go to order processing, for example, order confirmation. Then select the first one, then go and edit the code. Then guys, hit on first, if you want to change thank you for your purchase, for example, just hit on edit code. Then guys, it will take you directly to the code section. Then just go to, for example, you will got confirmation email after completing payment, or your payment is being processed. You will got you can easily, if you want to customize, if you don't like this text, you can also change it with the easy method. Just select all this text and you can easily just add your payment is being processed. You will got the email, for example, you can just add, for example, thank you. It's just an example guys. Thank you for your order, for example. You can easily change everything you want on this code. For example, writing your order ready to be shipped. You can also change it and customize it and add everything you want and everything you need on this code. Then guys, after selecting everything, just hit on preview. Then automatically the code, it will change it automatically. As you see guys, this is the preview, how it look like the code. Thank you for your purchase. Then send test email address. Then you automatically you can do a test for your confirmation email. Then guys, go back, then hit on save at the top guys, sorry. Then guys, go back, and you can easily again go back again. Then for example, if you want to change a draft order invoice or shipping confirmation, for example, everything you want to change it on the email confirmation, just go and hit, for example, shipping confirmation, for example, and also send the test if you want to see the test on just an example, or edit the code first. You can easily go and change everything you want or everything you need on the code. Then guys, this is the easy method to edit your shipping confirmation or any Shopify confirmation email. Then guys, if you want to use or add some application on your Shopify to help you to confirmation email on Shopify, just go and hit on apps and sales channel. Then go to Shopify app store on the top, then go directly in the search bar and tap order email. Take you directly to this application. As you see guys, this application, it's good and it's very easy as a beginner or a professional. As you see guys, increase sales and customers loyalty with the customized branded email template that match your store. Then guys, it's as you see guys, it's give you the free plan available. Then just hit on install to install the application on your Shopify store. Then you will be able to create another template to use it for the confirmation email. Then guys, hit on install. As you see guys, it's very easy to install this application on your Shopify account. Then it takes a few seconds. This is the dashboard of your application. Welcome, great emails ahead. Browse your email theme. Just guys, first you need to select your theme that I prefer to choose the down theme. For example, which confirmation template that you want, this one or anyone, just select which one that you want. I prefer the down theme because the down theme on my Shopify, just hit on this template. Then guys, you can easily this is your template on your mobile version and also on the desktop version. Then guys, after selecting, just hit on start customizing on your Shopify. It's take you directly guys to your Shopify store to add this template to your Shopify. Then hit on select language for your email, then hit on confirm. As you see guys, your order template and order confirmation template was added successfully. Then you can easily just customize it and add or change everything you want. As you see guys, this is the easy method to add your or edit Shopify confirmation emails with the simple method. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.